Welcome to Game On. Welcome to the technical segment of Game On. Now, have you ever wondered that all the games that we play and we brand them as good or bad, 90% of the time we do that based on the graphics of the game. How difficult or easy is it to design a game? Let me take you to Giga, or Global Institute of Gaming and Animation, where Ms. Sujarita will tell us a very simple task: how to make a character walk or run on a simple platform.
3D VR Tools is a software that is being extensively used by the companies to bridge the gap between the virtual world and the real one. Like even before a car has been manufactured, you can analyze each one of its features. Today we find out more about the basics of this amazing software.
So today we are going to just see how we can make a character come inside this software and how we can give controllers and animation to this. Can you see a character called Eva which is imported here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give the controllers and animation to this. So here what happens, we use a structure called behavior block. So what I'm going to do is just select this character. Okay, can you see a character which is here in the stage? So I'm just going to script for the character. So if I press yes, automatically what happens is, so in the Eva character you're going to script it. So press yes, automatically you can see a script for the Eva character. So I want my character to walk or basically inside a game. So if you see a character maybe walking or running, whatever things may be inside the game. So first I'll select the character. So I'm going to script for the character. First thing is you call something called character controller. So here in this Virtuos, everything is we are done using the behavior block. So character controller is a behavior block. When you double click the character controller, you can see the animations for the character. So like stand animation, walk animation, or walk backward or run animation. So stand animation is basically when the character is in the waiting position. So next you have something called walk. You need to import the walk animation, and next is the walk backward and the run animation. And you have the animation for this character. For example, I have just imported the Eva character. So what I need to do is I need to import the animation of the Eva character. So what I'll just do is I'll just select the walk animation of the Eva character. I need to place it correctly on the character. So this is for the walk, and next one is the walk backward. And for example, if you want the turn left and turn right. So you can see the character is in the wait position. So now you need to give the keyboard controllers. So what you will do is another BB which is called as keyboard. So in the keyboard mapper you have the message and the key. For example, if I press the up arrow, my character wants to move forward, or if I press the left, my character wants to turn left. For that you will be using this keyboard mapper. Give OK. So what you need to do is you just connect this to the Eva. So when you play it, if I press my up arrow, my character starts walking in the front. And if I press the down arrow, the character walks backward. Same way, if I press the left, my character changes to the left and right, and it starts working. So next thing is we'll introduce an assert inside the So if you see now, your character is walking inside the asset.
That's alright, but there's a flaw. The character is not standing on the platform, is it?
You need to declare which is the flow, because the character doesn't know which is the flow. So find out what is the name of that flow. Declare the mountain as add attributes. inside the flow manager, add selected, close. So can you see now the character stands on the flow? Before, like the character was walking inside the flow, so now the character is standing on the flow.
Using this amazing software, this is what you can achieve. Before you decide to invest in a plot, you can experience an authentic recreation of what the environment feels like. All the intricate details, what the buildings look like, the texture of the grass, even what the air smells like.
Well, now, before criticizing the graphics of any game, I am sure you would think 10 times more. But hey, that's what we are going to do in the next segment, because we are going to review a game, the latest PS3 game that is in town. Find out which game we are talking about today in the next segment. Before that, we need to take a very small break.